my turn?
Yes, your turn.
My fault, my fault. For me, yes, also, but you know, she won't ask you to do that or to have sex if she don't love you. And also,
What if she doesn't love you but loves
like
on
she
you?
just wanted
Like Fubu.
Oh yeah, Fubu.
I don't know.
What is Fubu?
Fuck bad.
I don't know cause you know, I can't read people's minds, so I don't know if she's doing it just for lust or because she loves me. But for me, if she would ask me to have sex with her, I would probably say yes. But I would use condom and
For me, bro, I'm willing to do it, bro.
why?
Are you not? Did you not learn about sex education?
I
Yeah.
learned it, but someone says that
Doing it raw feels like
better. Yeah.
oh, okay.
Am I going to answer that question?
Yeah.
ba?
Yes, yes, yes.
If my partner like inaya me,
Yes.
of course. Of course, as long as
Same sex?
yun nga. No.
What do you prefer? What do you prefer? A guy or a girl?
God. I think it's
Huh?
girl.
What do you prefer? A guy or a girl?
Sexually a guy. Okay. So, of course, I will, as long as, yun nga, he use condoms and he knows what he's doing.
You said condom.
Ay,
So-
condom! Condom!
So, they'll do it.
A lot. As long as he knows what he's doing, like, and,
Positions?
he considers what I also want. You know, what position?
Ah.
Okay, next question.
Next
Reverse
question.
cowgirl? Oh, next
So,
question.
here's my question. Do you guys want to be parents?
A mother.
Do you want to be a parent?
No.
Why?
Yes. Why?
I think I just want to be single forever. Rich tita. She wanna be a rich
And you,
tita.
Timothy? Do you want to be a father?
Yeah, I want to be a father.
Okay, so here's my question. Since Alin said no, you should answer it too. Like,
Her nieces.
do you guys like are you guys willing to educate your future children or future niece about sex, even though they were just like 10 years old? If they would ask you about sex or masturbation, would you?
I think the proper age is 15 years old.
But the question is, would you educate your son or daughter or niece about sex if he or he would ask about it?
Yes.
Why?
Because if they curious, I think
They should know the answers. Ano, Paolo?
yeah, of course. That's the thing. We are not yun yung hindi natin naranasan. That's the thing we didn't experience growing up, being educated by our parents, which they are like obligated to do. So for me, yes, because being informed doesn't mean you're encouraging them to do it. It's actually making them more conscious what they should do or not do when they are well educated about sex or masturbation.
And you, Timothy?
For me, Tagalog.
Okay?
For me, para sa akin siguro, mas kailangan na malaman ng mga pagbata pa lang para alam na nila yung gagawin nila to kung mararanasan ba nila yun para maging safe sila, para may knowledge din sila sa pag napunta sila sa sitwasyon.
Because knowledge is power.
Yeah, that's it. Knowledge is power.
And I think yun nga, knowledge or sex education actually reduce or avoid teenage pregnancy.
Because the you know, like children are a bit more curious than adults, so being educated early about sex or masturbation helps them lessen their curiosity about sex and masturbation, right?
Yeah.
Why so serious, guys?
That's kind of serious. And also, I think if the kids actually knows the consequences when the consequences of doing it too early, I think they feel scared. They would feel scared of not doing it with protection.
Like doing it wrong. They
Yeah.
would be scared doing it wrong.
Because there's a lot of risk of not using condoms.
protection.
One factor, one cause. What do you think? Teenage pregnancy.
HIV.
AIDS.
Diba? Ang dami. So if they get
Okay guys, before we wrap up, imagine that camera. Imagine that camera that is your children. What is
Okay.
future? I think future children. And what are the advice that you will say or share to him or her?
sex education.
Yeah.
To my future son or daughter, don't be shy to ask me, your father, about anything. Like anything. Even though it's sex, masturbation, or what. Don't be shy, because I will, as a father, I will educate you about those things you're curious about. And that's all. Love you guys.
Okay, Papa.
Next
To
one.
my daughter or son, if you have problem or curious about sex, I will teach you.
Nice.
Teach you.
Will teach him or her.
And
Supportive mother.
next, Timothy.
To my future child, I think I'm going to educate you how to. I'm going to educate you. I'm going to educate. I'm going to educate you to know about the sex and masturbation if you experience it, and to know what you are going to do when you are in that situation.
Valid concern.
My future child, do not be afraid to explore yourself. It's okay. And don't be afraid to be curious about those stuff. So ask it to me or search it on Google. It's fine. And yun nga, do not be afraid to explore yourself.
Super lakas.
Okay, before we end, let's have a game. Complete this sentence. Sex and masturbation are normal as long as
I think it's safe. For me, it's safe.
As long as it's safe. For me, as long as you make it right. Yes.
as long as you're informed.
You wash your hands after?
Huh?
You wash your hands. Oh my god.
Wash your hands. Okay, guys, let's end it here.
No shame, no judgment,
just
just
truth.
truth.
See
See
you
you
next
next time.
time.
Bye.
Cut.